Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. We are unboxing the FabFitFun Fall Edit Mystery Box. We are going to be giving away one of the items in here. I don't even know what's in here yet. I can't wait to dive in and find out. I do have every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of October, it is the Celestial Thunder palette. I have a video that talks about how to enter that one. I also have other videos and giveaways going on. All that information will be in the description box down below. Like I said, we are giving away something in here. So really easy for my giveaways. You must watch the video in its entirety and like the video. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you do need to know to put on your Google form entry form. So FabFitFun is the seasonal subscription boxes. I do have a couple of FabFitFun starter boxes to give away, and what those are, and that's not part of the other giveaway that we're doing in today's video. So what those do is they will send you out a starter box. There's over $75 value in that starter box. So all that you need to do is you must have never signed up with FabFitFun or never requested a FabFitFun starter box before. So just give me your email, your name and your email, and I will send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun will email you letting you know, hey, Christina has sent this to you. And then what you basically do is you sign up for FabFitFun and you pay for the shipping for it to get to you. I think it's like $8. You do have 21 days to cancel that membership if you want to, but I really like my FabFitFun membership, and I'm hoping that you guys will like it as much as I do. So if you want one of those, let me know in the comments down below. If you can leave me a comment, let me know how you guys are doing. The more people that like and the more people that comment, the more YouTube uses its algorithm and helps promote the video. I'm really trying to grow this channel here. I do also have, if you want to just strictly sign up for FabFitFun, I do have a code for that, and it'll save you a little bit of money, and it saves me some extra money when I want to purchase something in the future from FabFitFun, because they have add-on sales and whatnot. Speaking of their add-on sales, so in between each season, they do have it's called their FabFitFun Fall Edit Sale. And in that edit sale, you can get a bunch of add-ons, which are drastically reduced products. And you can also get another box if you want to, the one that's curated, that you don't get to pick what's in it. Or you can also do a mystery item. And I love their mystery boxes. Sometimes I've gotten really good ones. Sometimes I've gotten really bad ones. Let's find out what's in here. Oh, you guys, look at this. This is the Kenzie Vanity Mirror Illuminating. It does have the lights that illuminate on the sides. So it has 16 LEDs, 100 degrees rotation, touchscreen design, ultra clear mirror, and it has an accessory tray down at the bottom. It does take 4 AA batteries required, which are not included. It's crystal clear mirror, touch button. Providing the perfect balance of light, the vanity mirror will become an indispensable part of your daily beauty regime. From the application of makeup to the cleansing of your skin, you will feel confident with how radiant your skin looks every day. How fun is this? I think we might be giving this one away. Let me check out the other things that we got going on, but this is the leading contender. I already have a mirror that I do use, so let's find out what else is in here. From Laura Geller is a line and define dual dimension eyeliner, retails for $24. So what it says, create killer eye looks that stun with intense bold lines and graphic cream kohl effects. With this line and define dual dimension eyeliner, a sleek, sexy, smoky eye looks is only strokes away. This dual-ended eyeliner tool features two versatile formulas for a flawless sculpted stare: long weary cream kohl and precision tip liquid marker. The richly pigmented cream kohl formula offers one stroke color release, which glides on smoothly and is blendable for a smoky eye look. While the quick drying long wearing liquid marker on the opposite end has a precision tip that paints on pigment and creates a crisp and dramatic wing. Those who love experimenting with dramatic eye looks and glamour for the perfect cat eye. So this one is more of a silver. And then here is your line. Can't wait to go in and play in with this. What in the tarnation is this? Can you see this? There is stuff inside this bottle. So this is from Frequency. It's their Positivity Aroma Perfume Oil Roll-On. Feel the vibrant around you. Breathe, change the frequency. Visualize warm spring breeze, fresh citrus, and sunshine. The citrusy blend of lemon, orange, and lemongrass is rounded up with a touch of rosemary and peppermint. Positively Perfume Oil is a combination of all natural moisturizing oils, pure essential crystals, and botanicals. Products are always free of dyes and synthetic fragrances. So this is be kind of interesting to check it out. From Vega Lash is a volumizing serum retailing for $59.95. I haven't tried the Vega Lash one before. It says finally a lash enhancer without hormones, carcinogens, or dangerous side effects. Our best-selling Vega Lash volumizing serum is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and has been clinically proven to deliver thicker, fuller, lengthened lashes in as few as 30 days. Fast, safe, and effective. You'll love the new look. So I can't wait to try this. You guys know that I do love my new lash one. So I am anxiously, as soon as I'm done with that, I will try this one. So I thought it was a pretty good box. There's some kind of really cool things in here. Let's give away the mirror. It's my birthday month. I feel like giving back to you guys just a little bit. Let's have this giveaway go through November 3rd, which is a really important day here in the United States. You guys need to make sure that you all go out and vote. Do your civic duty, go out and vote. Just make sure, I don't really care who you, I shouldn't say I don't care. I do care who you vote for. I'm not gonna go and tell you who to vote one way or another for if you do live in the United States. Just make sure you do your civic duty and do it. I've already gone ahead and mailed in my ballot, so I've already gone ahead and voted. So, I do have a Google form in the description box down below. Make sure to put the secret word and also your YouTube name in on that Google form. On November 4th, I will go ahead and pick the winner using a random number generator, and I'll put the winner's first name and first initial of their last name in the comment section of this video. That's how I will announce my winners. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. YouTube is no way to affiliated with this giveaway. I purchased items to give back to you, to be a little ray of sunshine in this crazy, crazy world. I love giving back to you guys, but I've got to get this thing monetized to be able to give back to you guys more and keep the giveaways ongoing. So help me get there. Share this video if you can. Make sure to watch all the videos in its entirety. I'm really lagging behind on my watch time hours. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damage, customs, anything like that for it to get to you. Make sure to only fill out that Google form once, and do not put that secret word in the comments down below, or the comment will be deleted and you will be disqualified. So make sure to only put that secret word on the Google form. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple of videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. I invite you to subscribe and like the video if you haven't already. Join us. We're a really fun group here. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.